How to log in HSBC Online Banking. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this tutorial. Launch a browser and search for HSBC Login. For this, you can tap on any of the portal. I'll be selecting on Log On. Wait until you are redirected to its official web page. To log in into your account, it is pretty simple. Enter your username. Then tap on Remember Me if it's your personal device. Then select on Continue. Tap on Forgot Username if you have forgotten your credential. In that case, you can enter your social security number. Select your card type. Enter your HSBC card number and PIN. Then tap on Continue. Or you can chat with the agent or a bot regarding your issue. You can just type in help to log in or cannot log in into your account. Then you need to type on hi to continue with HSBC. The agent will respond you with the solution. Wasn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.